Nuts about cashews? Hold up! Before you grab another handful, learn about their hidden edge, the reason cashews are a tasty yet tricky treat. Serving up smiles one dish at a time, Food is Thy Mood is now live. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of cashews. Yes, those little nuts that are a staple in trail mixes and fancy nut assortments. But there's a lot more to cashews than just their crunchy goodness. Stick around as we uncover the intriguing story of cashews, a story of nutrition, danger, and economics. Let's crack open this topic. First off, did you know cashews are kind of a paradox? They're incredibly nutritious but also naturally poisonous.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Sounds confusing, right? Let me explain. The cashew plant is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with vitamin E, cancer-fighting phytochemicals, and magnesium. Plus, their antioxidants are great for reducing inflammation and battling diseases. Regular consumption of cashews can boost bone health, brain development, and the immune system. But here's the twist. The cashew nut, that little nugget we love to snack on, comes from a plant that also harbors a dangerous secret. The cashew tree, an evergreen that typically grows between 8 to 15 meters tall, bears what we call the cashew apple. This pseudo-fruit, with its vibrant yellow to red hues, is not a bit of a botanical trickster. The real fruit of the plant? That's the cashew nut. But wait, there's a catch. The cashew nut shell contains an oily anacardic acid, similar to the toxin in poison ivy, which can cause severe skin rashes. This is why you never see cashews sold in their shells. The process of safely removing the nut involves separating it from its outer shell, then drying and roasting it to eliminate the toxic oil. This labor-intensive process is one of the reasons why cashews are so pricey. Now let's take a quick journey through time. Cashew trees originated in Brazil. However, in the 16th century, Portuguese traders brought them to coastal India and Southeast Africa. But here's a fun fact. They weren't introduced for their nuts. The trees were valued for their extensive root systems, ideal for preventing soil erosion, and their canopy of leaves and long branches provided excellent protection from the rain. It wasn't until the 1920s that people realized the cashew nut's commercial potential. Today, Africa and Asia lead the world in cashew exports. Let's talk about the cashew apple for a second. While it's not as famous as the nut, it's a gem in its own right. High in fructose, glucose, and minerals, the cashew apple is a fantastic source of antioxidants. It's popular as a drink or concentrated juice, especially in tropical regions. However, it spoils quickly at room temperature, which is why it's not commonly found in supermarkets. Now about those prices. Cashews are indeed on the higher end of the nut price spectrum. At times, they've sold for as much as $8 per kilogram or about $18 per round. This high cost is attributed to the intricate and labor-intensive process of making them safe for consumption. Despite this, their popularity remains unshaken, especially in the United States, India, and Germany. Now let's get personal for a moment. I remember my first encounter with a cashew. It was at my aunt's house during a family reunion. I was a curious kid rummaging through the snack table, and they were there, a bowl of shiny, curved nuts. I grabbed a handful, and it was love at first bite. But my joy was short-lived. My cousin, seeing my newfound love, decided to play a prank. He convinced me that eating too many cashews would turn my hair curly. For weeks, I avoided cashews like the plague, checking my hair every morning for signs of curls. And who could forget the time I tried to impress a date with my culinary skills by making a cashew stir-fry? Let's just say I learned the hard way that cashews burn faster than my chances of a second date. Pro tip: always add the cashews last. Now, for the foodies out there, let's talk recipes. Cashews are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. For a simple yet delicious treat, try making honey-roasted cashews. Just coat them in honey, sprinkle a bit of sea salt, and roast them until golden brown. It's a game changer for movie nights. Or if you're feeling adventurous, whip up some cashew chicken. It's a classic tender chicken pieces, crunchy cashews, and a sauce that's the perfect balance of sweet and savory. Just remember, add the cashews towards the end. Vegetarians, I haven't forgotten you. Cashew cheese is a revelation. Soak cashews overnight, blend them with nutritional yeast, garlic, and a bit of lemon juice, and voila! A creamy, dairy-free spread that'll make you forget it's not real cheese. Trust me, even my meat-loving friends couldn't tell the difference. It's perfect for crackers, sandwiches, or if you're like me, straight off the spoon. Now let's chat about the double-edged sword nature of cashews. It's true, these nuts are delicious and loaded with antioxidants. They're a snack and ingredient beloved by many for their creamy texture and health benefits. However, it's not all smooth sailing. For starters, cashews can cause allergic reactions in some people, similar to other nuts. It's something to be mindful of, especially if you're serving them at parties or gatherings. Moreover, cashews do come with a hefty price tag. Their complex harvesting and processing methods, not to mention the labor involved, add up, making them one of the more expensive nuts on the market. And then there's the nutritional aspect. While they're packed with goodness, cashews also come with aflatoxins, high caloric density, phytic acid, and oxalates. These compounds can be a concern for some folks. Aflatoxins, for instance, are a type of mold that can be harmful in high amounts, and phytic acid might affect mineral absorption. Yet, despite these concerns, cashews continue to be a popular choice. Many argue that their health benefits outweigh the negatives. Studies have suggested that compounds found in nuts, like polyphenols and antioxidants, might have protective effects against diseases, including cancer. So it seems like with cashews, as with many things in life, moderation is key. Enjoying them as part of a balanced diet can be a great way to reap their benefits without overdoing it. Before we wrap up, here's a quick trivia for you. Did you know elephants played a role in spreading cashew trees across India? These gentle giants love the fruit and, in doing so, dispersed its seeds far and wide. In conclusion, cashews are not just another nut in the bowl. They're a fascinating blend of nutrition, history, and economics. Their journey from a potentially dangerous plant to a beloved snack is a testament to human ingenuity and our unending quest for delicious, healthy food. So what do you think about cashews now? Are they worth their high price tag? And have you ever tried cashew apple juice? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of food. Until next time, keep crunching on knowledge and nuts alike.